Hi, my name is Robert.Rumer and come to you from Guaranty Chevrolet here in Junction City, Oregon. What we have here is a 2013 Equinox LT package. It is an entry-level model. But what's unique about this entry-level model, it does have premium sound, it does have the V6 upgrade, and it's all-wheel drive model, okay? Come around here, see the interior. It's got power seat, power adjustable seat. Again, it's got the premium sound upgrade on this model with the Bose speaker system on it. It seats 5 passengers back here. It seats 5 passengers. Got plenty of room for the family. Up top here, you got your roof rack. Come around back. Got your backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive and a V6. I want to reiterate that. So it is a unique model for being entry level with the upgrades it's have. It comes with a 1,000-pound tow hitch on it. Put your bicycles, mount your bicycles to them. Okay. Back here, got plenty of cargo space. The seats fold flat. Both the seats fold flat, so you got through storage. So if you're going to like Jerry's and picking up a lumber or picking up things, you can put it all the way through without any incidents. Again, this is a 2013 Equinox LT package with the V6 upgrade, all-wheel drive upgrade, premium sound upgrade. Again, my name is Robert.Rumer from Guaranty Chevrolet here in Junction City.